Let's make stir-fried seafood with vegetables. All ingredients and measurements are in the description box. Peel and devein the shrimp. Massage the shrimp with salt, then wash with water. Dry the shrimp with a paper towel. Marinate the shrimp with salt and a little ginger for 20 minutes. Mix well. Wash the squid with water. Dry the squid with a paper towel. Cut the squid. Marinate the squid with salt and a little ginger and a little cooking wine for 20 minutes. Mix well. Cut the celery and set aside. Cut the carrots and set aside. Add cornstarch and sesame oil to the shrimp. Mix well. Add cornstarch and sesame oil to the squid. Mix well. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil on medium-high heat. Stir-fry the shrimp until it turns red, about 1 minute. Remove and set aside. Stir-fry the squid until the squid is pearl and white in color. Remove and set aside. Stir-fry celery and carrots for 1 minute. Add shrimp and squid back to the pot and stir-fry for 1 minute. Add white pepper to taste. Done!